Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by Ed Terra Adventures.
Aaron, what do you think was the best part of our run of Kutch trip?
So personally, I like the White Run. The White Run of Kutch is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders of India. It is located in Gujarat. It is a vast stretch of white salt deserts that looks magical in my opinion. The White Run is not just beautiful, but it is also culturally rich. During the run itself, the whole region comes alive with folk music, dances, handicrafts, and great food. It also promotes eco-friendly tourism. Oh, and also, we share a no man's land with Pakistan that spreads across 40 kilometers. It was also a privilege to experience all of these mesmerizing places. So, thank you.
Can you please tell me what made you the most mesmerized?
The Smriti One Earthquake Museum was one of the best yet emotional part of my journey. This vast museum, built on a mountain, consists of diverse sections that makes us imagine and experience the 2001 earthquake, which happened in Bachau, Gujarat. While one gallery contained the stories of those who lived, the other one showed us gratitude and respect towards the ones who lost their lives in the same earthquake. This museum also teaches us how to be ready for any natural occurrence that can happen any time with us.
Arini, can you please share your experience with us?
I really enjoyed the sunset and sunrise that we saw at Kutch. Watching all the colors in the sky, from vivid oranges, bright pinks, and deep reds, melt together with the dark blues that were dawning over during the sunset. It was wonderful seeing how the colors blended together. Then, also seeing how the bright orange sun rose up in the dark sky, and following it was a train of pretty colors that was truly captivating. All of this over that white sand of the Run of Kutch was truly one of the best things I've ever seen. My favorite part of the trip was our stay at the tent city. It is a beautiful example of how tradition and modern comfort come together. Located near the famous Run of Kutch, it offers visitors a unique experience of staying amidst nature while enjoying world-class facilities. These well-designed tents reflect the rich culture of Kutch through vibrant colors, local handicrafts, and traditional decor. What makes the tent city truly special is the cultural experience it offers. Visitors get to enjoy folk dances, music, local cuisine, and crafts that showcase the heritage of Gujarat. It also promotes tourism and provides employment opportunities for local artisans and communities. Tent City is not just a place to stay. It is a celebration of culture, hospitality, and sustainable tourism. It beautifully represents the spirit of Kutch. Simple, vibrant, and welcoming. Thank you.
All of you are honestly so right. Watching the sun travel through the sky over the white sands, staying in the wonderful accommodations at the tent city, and getting a glimpse at the power and strength of the Gujarat after one of the biggest disasters sent a sense of pride through my body. A pride of being able to see how fast India adapts and how well we do it too. I am truly grateful that I got to see these heavenly sights.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.